Hello, line dancers, and welcome back. All right, we have been enjoying this dance. It's called Hoedown. It was choreographed by the amazing and talented Gary O'Leary from Ireland. It's a 32 count, 4 walls. So I'm going to do as I like to do, which is breaking down the steps because you absolute beginners kind of just starting your journey dancing. So we want to be gentle. Yes. So we're going to break up the steps, show you the name of the steps, show you how they're done. We add count so it helps you. And then we put some music at the end. So let's go. All right. So we start the first 8 counts, the first section. We're going to step into an angle. You're going to step your right foot, bring left together. You step back on that left, and you're going to do a little kick with the right, and you're going to do a coaster step into the other corner. That is a step, step, step. It's like a triple step if you think, all right? You hold in there. You're going to do the same thing into the left. Let's go right away into section 2. You're going to step forward on the left, touch the right. You step back on the right, you kick, and you're going to do again that coaster step, step back, forward hold. And then you finish there with the 2 corners or the first half of the dance. We're done. Oh, look at that. All right. So let's see that again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and step, corner, step back, kick, coaster, back, back, step and hold. To the left, step, touch, step back, kick, and coaster, back, back, step and hold. Let's do that whole section there, section 1 and 2, with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. I know you got it. That is fantastic. Remember, you can put the video again and again until you're comfortable. Let's continue with section 3. We are going to do a grapevine. As we do a grapevine, we are going to do a turning to your left as a quarter turn. Starting with your right foot, you're going to step to the side, left behind, step, open, and touch with that left foot. So that's your 4 count grapevine to the right. As we go to the left, we're going to do a heel toe twist. So what is happening here? 2 heels face the left, then the 2 toes, then the 2 heels, then the 2 toes. Oh, that was fun. So let's look at that again. So a grapevine to the right, ready, go. And out, behind, out, and step, twist, twist, twist. Let's try that with a count. 5, 6, 7, grapevine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay. All right. Let's see the last part. It's still fun. I tell you, this is fun. Right heel to the front. Left heel to the front. You're going to do 2 stomps. So stomp right, stomp left. Then you're going to do right heel out and hook that right foot. I'm going to do it this way so you can see it. Right heel, left heel, stomp, stomp, heel, hook. Oh, let's do that last part with a count. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you do the hook, the dance starts all over again into that angle as you're going to do a step, touch, step, kick, that thing. Yeah? All right. So let's do now the whole dance with the step names. And then we do the whole dance with the count. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, step, touch, step, back, kick, coaster, hold. Again, step, touch, step, back, kick, coaster, forward, hold. Grapevine turn, grapevine to the right, twist, and twist to the side, then heels. 2 stomps, and heel and hook. There, awesome. And then we do, of course, all the walls. Let's try with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it. Awesome. I know you got it. So put the video again, have some fun. Now it's time for music. Let's do it.